Instagram just introduced a new feature that lets users reply to comments with photos. In this video, I will show you how to use Instagram's new photo comment feature and make your conversations more fun and interactive. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of Instagram. Then here in this window you can scroll down until you find the post that you want to comment on. For example, let's go to see this one here. There is no feature here in this picture, but for example this picture here, when you go to comments you will find this feature of photos, so you can click here in this sign. After that you can choose any photo you want to add it to comments with. For example, let's choose this, and you can write your comments and then you can send your comments with this photo as you see here. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.